UT test series helped me to rectify my mistakes, and UT test series have been very helpful for subjects like maths and social science.
I would like to give a big shout out to Universal Tutorials because the test series program helped me a lot.
From studying at UT vigorously to spending time with my friends in the break, UT has given me an experience to live my life from a broader perspective.
So the test papers have helped a lot with my boards exams. It gave me confidence what I needed to write an exam.
Of course, the UT test series was a great help for me in my papers. They helped me become sure of my abilities and helped me ease my nervousness regarding exams.
And UT papers and mock answers were at par with the final board papers and were of great help and played a vital role in helping me achieve my goal.
And I'm really thankful to UT because it really helped me through its tests and the mock tests.
So for preparation, I used the volumes offered by UT as they were an organized form of NCERT textbooks which include previous year's questions, solved question bank and worksheets for each chapter.
I had many memorable moments there. If I start now, it will not end. So
Test series really did help me a lot for my progress.
So my experience at UT has been amazing. All the teachers, the staff have been fantastic.